Modern art isn't just paint on canvas. It's emotion, rebellion, and raw expression. Every brushstroke tells a story. Every color challenges tradition. In a world full of rules, modern art breaks them to create something bold, something you can feel. If you want to see how this piece came to life from start to finish, meet me in the long video and witness the full creative journey. What if colors could speak? What if shapes had emotions? Welcome to a world where rules fade and imagination leads. This is abstract art. Whether you're drawn to the bold chaos of modern expression or the quiet whispers of minimal strokes, you're in the right place. Today, I'm taking you behind the canvas, into the soul of art that doesn't just speak, it resonates. Let others feel what you felt, because in abstraction we don't just see, we feel. Abstract art isn't just a painting, it's a feeling. Each brushstroke hides a story, a struggle, or a truth too deep for words. This is more than art. It's emotion, raw and real. If this journey moved you even a little, don't forget to like, comment, and share.